Here are few different solutions to fix message notifications not working on Android phone. First solution, turn on notifications. Open the Settings app. In Settings app, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Tap on App Notifications. And now scroll down and find out the Message app. So make sure to turn on Message notification in here. Now, you should get all notifications for your message. And the second solution is disable Do Not Disturb. Open your control center and find out Do Not Disturb mode. If it's activated, you won't receive any notifications. So must turn off Do Not Disturb mode. And then go ahead and check you're receiving notifications from messages or not. And the third solution is disable battery optimization. Android may stop notifications to save battery. So all you have to need, go to your settings and scroll down, tap on apps, find out the Message app, open Message app. In here, scroll down, tap on battery, and here you have to select unrestricted. After that, go ahead and check your message notification working or not. And the next solution is check your internet connection. So if you're not getting message notification from WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, or Facebook, or something like this kind of social media apps, in this case, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data working perfectly. So you can switch your internet between cellular or Wi-Fi. Then go ahead and check your social media messages notifications working or not. Next solution is clear app cache. Go to your settings, scroll down, open apps. From this app list, you have to open the Message app. Tap on Message, tap on Storage, tap on Clear Cache, Clear Data, delete all data, and then go ahead and check your problem solved or not. And the last and final solution is simply restart your phone. Sometime restarting your phone can fix these kind of issues. Thanks for watching.